RAM upgrade on Dell Inspiron 3481 P89G laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Nikki for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Upgrading the RAM in a laptop is often a very good choice, especially if you're experiencing slower performance during multitasking, running memory-intensive applications, or if your laptop has limited memory. Increasing the RAM allows your laptop to handle more data at once, which improves overall speed and responsiveness. This is particularly beneficial for tasks like browsing with multiple tabs, photo and video editing, gaming, or using software that requires substantial memory. Overall, a RAM upgrade is a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of a laptop, boost its performance, and make it more efficient for everyday use and more demanding tasks alike. At PTTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. And have your RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.